So, faults are breaks in the Earth crust. We can identify them because of the discontinuity in the structure within the Earth crust across fault. And earthquakes occur on these faults, so various processes by which these faults move, to a large extent, are due to earthquakes. So we have a fault plane, and then the earthquake itself occurs on this fault plane. The earthquake starts at the particular point on the fault plane, and we call that the focus of the earthquake. And then the rupture propagates out, from that point on the rupture plane, to cover the entire fault plane, that ruptures in that particular earthquake. We talked about the epicenter of the earthquake a lot. The epicenter is just the surface projection of the focus of the earthquake. So if you wanted to look at map view where the earthquake was located, we would be able to look that into the earth. We would see the focus down some depth in the earth, or the epicenter just a point vertically above that focus at the surface of the earth. So this is the relationship between the faults and the earthquakes.